What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2020 Honda Accord Sport, and I'm going to show you how we can program a brand new smart remote key for this vehicle. As you can see, this is the brand new one, and this one has remote start, and we're gonna enable it for this vehicle because this is the original key, and as you can see, it doesn't have remote start. We're gonna be using the auto fix because I was trying to use that one, but it didn't work, so we're gonna be using this one instead. And well, I already have the vehicle already scanned, so what we're gonna do is add the key. So for this, we're gonna take the original we're gonna take the key that we want to program out of the vehicle, so that way it doesn't make any interference with the start switch. So we're gonna press OK, start. It says there are no DTCs, blah blah blah. We just press next. We're gonna turn the ignition switch off and place, like I said, it says to place all the other keys outside of the vehicle. So the key is already out. We're gonna press OK. We're gonna turn the switch next, and it's gonna do its thing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It's gonna read the key number, the data, pretty much everything. And come on, it says program. It says if you want to program the next one, press yes. So we're gonna take this key out, and we're gonna take the other one. And there we go. Here's the brand new key. We're gonna press next and place the key to be learned into the vehicle. So we have the key already here. We're gonna press next. Come on. And key learning succeed. So we're gonna press next again. Please turn the switch off. It's already off. We're gonna turn it on again. And this is the key that we just programmed. It says if the mobilizer light went off, and yes, it went off. We're gonna turn the ignition switch off next, and on again. And we just wait, and registration complete. So we're gonna turn it off again, and now we're gonna check the remote. There we go. It's ready, guys. So we're gonna check the remote start and see if it works. Okay, so I think I gotta get out of the vehicle so that way it works. And well, let's see if it starts the vehicle. And there we go. Okay, guys, and just to show you really quick, remote start works. There we go. Remote start working. This is how you enable it. Getting a brand new key. So we're gonna open the switch, and here we go, guys. So this is pretty much how you program a brand new key and also program the remote start on this 2020 Honda Accord. Pretty much it will work for Honda Civic and many other brands that have the remote start. I don't know, for some reason they don't come with the remote start. This is the original key that came for this vehicle, and it doesn't have the remote start, but that's why I got a brand new key so we can get the remote start for this vehicle and make it work. Alright, guys, so I hope you liked the information on this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, comment down below, turn notifications on, and well, I'll see you on the next episode. You'll be fixed out. Bye.